before the thunder. People laughing in my classes.